you've all touched on the criticality of the network. And I think, clearly, no one understands that better than Mettel. This is what they do. And when I think about where we are, at a point in time with deploying security globally within our organizations, protecting, our assets, traditionally there's been a lot of focus on, let's say, keeping bad stuff out, right? Just to put it in very simple terms, right? So we've been very focused and very successful at that, right? If you go back to the, earliest, most rudimentary security tools like firewalls and antivirus, right? We're so laser focused on prevention, right? But we know that even though that's where we've worked the longest and the hardest over all these years, it still fails. And so I think it's really time to accept that we have to get laser focused on the network and understanding that, okay, it's getting in, it's gonna always get in. What do we do about it, right? Malware in your network that is sitting dormant is effectively harmless until it activates, right? You want a free security tip? I love free security, if you guys like free security. Most Russian malware, first thing it does is looks at your OS to see if the Russian language module is installed, okay? If it is, it does nothing. It won't activate. So go on all your devices and install the Russian language module. You don't need to use it. It's free security, okay? So when I think about the network, there's so much we can do. Everything traverses the network. This point's been made over and over again. There's a lot of security technology that can be applied to the network, should be applied to the network. It's what we're working on. I know a lot of these guys, probably all of us, are working on. I think it should be your focus as well.